slipping and sliding. I can't wait to go back to your vlog later. I can't wait to go.
We need to go walk the track to make sure.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we are here at our homemade autocross course. We got Anthony testing out the course right now in his brand new S2000, well new to him, S2000. Also with us we have Frankie with his Porsche GT3RS. We got the C8 wrapped in that light gloss blue. And then we got Lewis's Porsche 718 Cayman S in purple. Yeah, dude. Oh, you loved it? How you like it, man? Was it fun? Oh, you got a little boo-boo. So we're gonna have a friendly little competition, see which car is best around the autocross course. Lewis has recently just got some brand new Michelin Pilot 4S's on here. How are they?
I call them my kick rear-wheel drives, but on autocross course tires.
The C8 got its front right shock replaced, so it's good to go now. The S2000 is probably gonna be the best because it's a tight course that we made, and this thing's a tiny little go-kart, so I think it's gonna do probably the best. And then we got Frankie's GT3RS. I mean, this thing should, I would think, beat everybody. But we will see. Hey Lewis, why do you look so nervous?
Oh, you know, only because Frankie's here. He has a GT3RS.
Oh! All right, for that comment, he's gonna get wrecked. All right, guys, so here's the lineup. I'm gonna go last. Got the S2000, the 718. Frankie's up first. All right, sir, are you ready?
No. My name's Jim.
This is going on the internet, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready. Holy cow, that thing's loud. Well, he's gonna be pissed at me because I was filming. I forgot to stop the stopwatch. I'm sorry, Frankie. I saw you coming through there. I was like, oh my God, that looks so sick. And then I just totally forgot to hit the, the stops. That was your practice one. 25:22. All right, my friend, your official time. 25:22 plus 2 seconds. So you're sitting at 27:22. All right, next up is Lewis. We just had our friend Ray show up, Nissan GTR. Let's see how that thing does. You ready, sir?
I am ready.
Are you holding that while you're, are you gonna hold that while you're driving?
Do it with one hand.
All right, Lewis, whenever you're ready. All right, so the time to beat is a 27.22, I believe. Jeez, did he hit any cones? I hope he hit a cone. No cones, clean run. Jeez, he's gonna be so happy at 23.76. I don't even want to tell him, because you're gonna be so happy.
Okay, I'm gonna be so happy.
Yeah.
23.76? What?
You got 27.22.
You had 27 point. Oh,
dude, and without
27.
Without his penalty, you were still already 2 seconds ahead of him.
2 seconds faster?
Those Michelin Pilot 4S's.
Oh, man.
Guys, we are in trouble. So Frankie, tell me how you feel about that. I mean, the Cayman S.
Well, due to the humidity in the air.
Oh, okay.
My tires are a little squirmish, but with a little bit of warm-ups, yeah.
What are you gonna do round 2 to make up for that?
I'm gonna smoke them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna smoke Lewis.
Are the excuses already happening? Are they already coming through?
Plentiful.
Keeping in second gear the whole time or what?
I don't know.
Yeah?
I know. I have no idea how, man.
Oh, nailed that cone. Yeah, nailed another cone. Yo, he's sitting right there at 25.27. That's what Frankie did. He's off like 0.05 of a second off Frankie's, but he also nailed like way more cones, so. All right, my friend, I don't know how many cones you hit. You hit all of them, I think. So 2 cones, that's 4 seconds, added to your 25.27. Dude, you hit 25.27. That's what the GT3RS did. Not bad. Frankie, what warm up?
That was a warm-up.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna blow this one out of the water.
Blow this one out of the
All
water.
right, cool,
yeah,
cool.
For sure.
All right, Matt is going out for his first run. This C8 is absolutely insane off the line, so let's go ahead and see it.
Wow, baby. Woo! We are slipping and sliding. Holy cow, we were slipping all over the place. These tires are slippery. They're cold, so I expected it. Well, let's see what we got. Ugh. Oh man, did I hit some cones? Oh no, how many cones did I hit? Did I get a little too cocky there?
Unfortunately, I think I was the cocky one.
Oh.
Yeah, for good reason, because you got a 24.14.
Oh wait, you're still second behind you because you had 23.
Yeah, you're second behind me either way. But then you also hit 2 cones. 2 or 1?
I saw 1.
Where's this? Oh, so you hit 1 cone.
3.
Oh.
2.
Oh.
Whatever.
Wow, whose team are you on?
Grayson, how many cones did he hit?
5. We're gonna go ahead and go with his number.
Okay.
5 cones.
So I'm sitting at 26.14.
You're sitting at 26.14. I'm sitting at 23.76. No biggie, Matt. Don't worry. After this, if you want me to give you some lessons, we're good.
All right, which cone did I nail? The first one. I always hit the very first cone on autocross course. I'm not sure why. It's just what I do. All right, guys. So this is best out of 3. We've all gone once. Here goes the second round. Anthony's up first. Similar to those other ones, very consistent. I think he hit a 25-27 last. Lewis is going to fix the cones for him. Anthony hit 2, so we can add 4 seconds to that 25-36. So that's a 29-36, so his best is still the 29-27. Straight launch control at the beginning of the autocross course, jeez. 24.87. Dang, with the launch control ripping out of the starting line, I didn't think that was gonna work out for him. I don't know if launch control was the way to go, my friend. I mean, you're standing there spinning forever. I'm just totally kidding, man. You did pretty good. You did pretty good. 24.87, no cones. Lewis is still in the lead. So Lewis is still sitting there with a 23.76. Oh, okay. But you are at now, you have reduced yours about 4 seconds, 3 seconds. All right, Lewis is going now. This is his second run. He's in the lead. Some fluke. We're here at turn 1 and turn 2. Ooh, a little wide, Sam. That was a rough wide turn at the very end there. I wonder how he did. He beat it with that? Yeah. That was a, what?
I know.
Andy, was he clean?
Yeah. He botched that final.
Wow, dude, I did not see that coming.
I mean, he must be making up time on the slalom.
He's gonna be too happy about that. Dang it. Dude, I thought Porsches were known for turning. Did you just, what happened? You fall asleep back there or what?
I mean, you know, I'll tell you what happened.
Oh, what happened?
You know, I was like, how would Matt take this turn typically? And if it messed me up, you know?
23.62.
So I still beat my time? What the heck? Are you kidding me?
You crushed it, bro.
23.62?
Yeah.
With me doing that?
Yeah, I don't know how. Maybe Frankie's like got fat fingers. I don't know, but I want you to time me, Frankie.
All right, you guys know that I'm not typically one to be, you know, smug or cocky. Matt, I want to get your opinion on how are you feeling about your times today?
You know, when I come out here, usually I go ahead and just like, you know, wipe you guys off the board, and you know, it's not very fun, you know. So this time I thought, you know, I'd let you guys get up front first, and then I'll just chase you down.
Oh, that's what it was?
You know, I want you guys to be happy about this, you know? You guys always come out here always down. You're like, ah, the stupid Corvette, you know?
Okay.
All right. It's for you guys.
Well, good luck, Matt. Unfortunately hit a few cones.
Did I do well though?
You did?
Oh.
Do well. You did a 23.36.
Ooh, is that the fastest time?
No, it's not, because you hit 2 cones.
Yeah, without the
cones. If you
cones.
hadn't hit the 2 cones and you would have taken the line like you should have, it would have been probably a 24.
We got one more try. I got you, my friend. I got you. 23. I mean, I've already got the fastest time.
Okay, I will say this: 23.36. That's pretty damn good.
Not bad, right?
But you hit 2 cones, and I think that's why you got 23.36.
Oh, because I wasn't. I was just kind of blowing straight through it.
I obviously had to take it the right way.
Oh, okay. I was just. I see what you say.
You had the best time, but you had to go.
I know. Which one did it hit?
The middle slalom.
All right, Anthony is next. Him and I just keep hitting cones over and over and over. Little bog off the line, no big deal. Wide turn there. Wrong side of the conage there. That's gonna be rough. That's gonna be rough. Dang, he's very consistent. 25, 23. He's just consistent. All right, we have a guest appearance by our friend Ray and his GTR. Woo! A little turbo spool. Wow, that thing sounds mean. 25-15, he looked like he was barely trying. All right, we got Lewis's final run here. He's in the lead, he's wrecking everybody. Nailed that cone. What? 22? God, he hit 2? Thank God. 22.67 plus 2 cones?
It's definitely the car.
Oh, okay.
It's a lot more nimble than ours.
Yeah, exactly. It's tiny, you know, it's an itty bitty. It's half the size of the Vet.
That's a Miata compared to our Cap.
All right, guys, we got our work cut out for us. Lewis just got a 22.76. Thank God he hit 2 cones, so he's at a 26, but still his best time's 23 something. We got a better time than him, but we still nailed the cone, so I think we didn't beat the 22. How's it feel, Lewis, to finally win something, huh?
It goes to show my point the whole time. I had bad tires.
Oh, so this whole time you could have won all those if you just had good tires?
What I'm gonna label this video?
What?
718 Cayman destroys C8 Corvette.
I saw you guys have already gone 3 times, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, last chance. Let's make this happen, huh? All right, guys, this is it. Last run. No! They think you hit a cone. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Let's go check it out. Ah! All right, boys. I think it worked out. Oh, baby. What do we get, baby? What do we get?
2281.
Clean?
Clean.
Clean?
Clean.
Clean?
Yo, I think we
I can't wait to go back to your vlog later. I can't wait to go.
We need to go walk the track to make sure that there weren't any cones here.
Guys, just need you guys to all go over to Lewis's channel. Links in the description below. I need y'all to watch the video that he's posting, his version of this. Just go take a look at it and just leave him a comment or two, you know? Woo! Baby! #1 baby, C8! Guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.